Do you want to track how people find your Shopify website on Google? Introducing Google Search Console for Shopify, the simple way to connect your site with Google search data. No coding, no technical setup. Just install the app and connect your domain. Once connected, you can track search queries, clicks, impressions, and average position, all in one place. See which pages bring traffic. Find keywords people actually search for. Brand versus non-brand keywords to understand real growth. The app also automatically submits your sitemap and helps Google index your pages faster. Identify pages that need SEO improvement and detect keyword cannibalization that silently hurts rankings. Get alerts for indexing issues and performance drops before they impact your traffic. Everything you need to grow your organic traffic inside your Shopify dashboard. Stop guessing. Start making data-driven SEO decisions. Install Google Search Console for Shopify today and grow smarter on Google, just like the hundreds of users already seeing better results.